In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video and images in Descript. Whether you're a content creator looking to enhance your video editing skills, or a complete beginner wanting to dive into the world of multimedia, this tutorial will guide you through the process seamlessly. First things first, let's navigate to the Descript homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to start a new project. Starting fresh is always exciting, and setting up a new project is your gateway into editing magic. So go ahead, click on New Project. This is the first step towards bringing your creative vision to life. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of project you want to create. Since we're focusing on video today, select Video Project. This option will unlock a robust suite of tools specifically tailored for video editing. After selecting your project type, it's time to upload your video file from your computer. You'll want to ensure that the video you're uploading is the right one, as this will be the centerpiece of your editing journey. Simply browse your computer, locate your desired video file, and let Descript do the heavy lifting by importing it into the project space. Now, once your video file is uploaded and ready to go, Descript will offer you a variety of options to enhance your video. From here, you can add images to your project as well. Adding images can bring an additional layer of depth to your video, making it more dynamic and engaging. Whether you're overlaying a logo, emphasizing a particular scene, or adding a graphical element to convey a message, images can significantly elevate your storytelling. As you begin integrating images and video, remember to leverage Descript's intuitive interface. It allows for effortless adjustments. You can easily drag and drop your images and videos onto the timeline. By doing so, you can maintain control over where each element appears, ensuring a seamless viewer experience. Adjust the duration and position of your visuals precisely. Don't hesitate to experiment with different placements until you find the perfect balance by size. Finally, once you've edited your video and images to your satisfaction, review your project. Play it from start to finish to ensure everything flows as intended. If something doesn't look quite right, Descript makes it easy to tweak and polish. The best projects often go through several drafts, so take your time to refine and perfect. In conclusion, adding video and images to your Descript project can transform your content from ordinary to extraordinary. With practice and creativity, you'll find that Descript is a powerful tool that enables you to produce professional quality multimedia content. So dive in, experiment, and most importantly, have fun with your creations. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.